Here we are today looking at how I developed a design for my accessory residential unit and asked AI for some help. So let's look at how that worked. This is the site plan. So it shows the current lot, the road out to the right, and the existing house in the middle, and the proposed ARU in the back. The blue area shows the maximum floor area allowed, which is 80 meters squared. And there's going to be a connection of services from the existing house through a trench to the unit, which provides water, sewer, and electrical. There will be no gas to this unit. So using Chief Architect, Home Designer, I developed a floor plan for this and 3D views. So we can see we have 2 bedrooms on the right-hand side. And on the left, we have, far left, the main entrance door. And we have an open concept kitchen, dining, and living area. See the dining table. There's a TV on the stand, couch, computer station. And the kitchen has counters, cabinets, sink, and refrigerator. And it's showing a 4-burner electric stove, but instead of that, I will use energy efficient appliances like air fryers and hot plates that are induction type to keep energy use down. There's a utility room on the middle at the top part where there's an electric water heater. And then for heating and cooling, there will be a ceiling hung concealed unit heat pump. So the outdoor unit is on the outside back wall, and inside is the unit. And it takes return air from the open living area into the back of this unit. And then there's ducting to 4 areas. One goes into the living, dining, kitchen area. One goes across to the bathroom. One goes on a bit of an angle and down from the ceiling to feed into the south bedroom. And then another one going into the closet wall above the doors into the other bedroom. There is room in this utility room for a future washer dryer, and it would be a condensing dryer that doesn't use much power. And there can be a sink there as well. And the bathroom will have, we're showing an exhaust fan now, but we're proposing to replace that with through the wall ERVs. So they come in pairs. They're ductless. There's one in the bathroom exterior wall, and then one in the living dining area to provide fresh air through that part of the house. Then there's another pair between the 2 bedrooms, the bar wall on the top and the wall on the bottom of the other bedroom. So with the doors open or with the undercuts, there will be enough movement of air to provide fresh air ventilation for this half. The bathroom will have sink and toilet, showing a shower stall, but that could be a shower bathtub combination. So this shows it as a flat roof with a mild peak, or it could be just a sloped roof. It's built on piers down to the frost line. You can see the outside heat pump. And looking at it and from the dollhouse view, we can see the kitchen, dining, living area over here, bathroom in behind that, two bedrooms at the back, and the utility room in the middle, and with the heat pump concealed unit from the ceiling ducting going to various locations. So the concept here is to have the services come into a common area that will join the utility room, the bathroom, and the kitchen. In this layout, the bathroom and kitchen are on opposite walls or share a common wall, but the utility room does not. So I wanted to have this redesigned. So I asked AI, what can you do? So it came up with text as to how good an idea it was to have a wet well, as it's called, or a shaft from underground where the water, sewer, and electrical all come up into one common spot. So I revised the design based on that, where now the kitchen living area is kind of an L shape with the kitchen at the back. This will also be an area where there'll be a window to look out into the properties at the back where there are no houses visible. So the bedrooms are on the right-hand side. The utility room is at the top, and the services come in below that, and then they can feed to the water supply for this case. In this case, it's showing a tub shower combination and the sink and the toilet. And on the opposite side of the wall is the sink for the kitchen. It can also be rough in for a sink in the utility room, washer and dryer. Then in terms of drainage from the kitchen sink, toilet, the bathroom sink, and the tub shower will go back to the utility room and down. Electrical panel will be in this room as well. And this room is accessed by the door in the bedroom. So there is a little hallway here which has a doorway into the bathroom. To the left, a doorway into the bedroom straight ahead, and then a doorway into the other bedroom. Closets in the bedroom. So this, it looks much better designed than the original, which will be modified. So that's the progress to date. I'm going to stop sharing now. And thank you for attending. We'll now end the meeting.